Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by launching the exact build you will demo and signing into the test account. This ensures reproducibility and avoids surprises. Once done, set recording to 1920x 1080 at 30 fps and enable both mic and system audio so viewers hear UI sounds. Make sure you have a concise script and a checklist, then run one dry run. This first step saves time later because clear prep prevents re-records and keeps your demo focused on core user tasks. You now record the middle. Demonstrate the core flows that prove value, such as onboarding, the main action, and saving or exporting. While capturing, keep shots to 10-15 seconds per action and use smooth pans. This keeps attention and simplifies editing. Once recordings are complete, perform a dedicated voiceover session. This improves clarity because you can explain decisions without background noise. Make sure to timestamp key moments during review so edits and callouts align precisely in post-production. You finish by crafting a tight narrative. Trim footage to a 60-90 second demo and add captions plus 2 or 3 callouts that highlight value. Then export using H.264 at 812 Mbps for good quality and test playback on the devices your audience uses. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. If audio is out of sync, re-record the voiceover or nudge clips by 50 to 200 milliseconds. If visuals stutter, lower bitrate or re-record the offending clip. Finally, do one last full review.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.